Simply Earthies want the beautiful, gorgeous hair without the mystery, toxin-filled chemicals of store-bought products. Today we're diving into the best ingredients for natural hair care, so you can make your own conditioner bars, shampoo bars, and more right in the comfort of your home. Let's get started. A good lather can make all the difference, right? Here are 3 game-changing ingredients to cleanse your hair without stripping it of its natural oils. SCI powder, or sodium cocoa isothianate, is a gentle sulfate-free surfactant derived from coconuts. It creates a rich, creamy lather while being kind to your scalp. SLSA powder, or sodium lauryl sulfoacetate, which is not to be confused with SLS, is a mild cleansing ingredient that creates luxurious foam in your products. It doesn't create dryness or irritation, making it great for every hair type. Foam Boost, also known as cocamidopropylbutane, and also sometimes abbreviated as CAPB, is another coconut-derived surfactant. It enhances lather while creating a mild conditioning effect. It keeps your hair soft and hydrated. Silky smooth and moisturized? Yes, please. These ingredients are perfect for your DIY conditioning bars and hair masks. BTMS 50 is a natural conditioning agent that detangles the hair and reduces static. It leaves your hair feeling ultra soft without any of that waxy buildup. Argan oil is rich in essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. This liquid gold hydrates and strengthens hair while adding a natural shine. Cetyl alcohol is a plant-based fatty alcohol that smooths and conditions the hair. It locks in moisture and gives your DIY bars a luxurious feel. If you color your hair, you may have been told not to use products that have alcohol in them. Cetyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol that's different than what your stylist is talking about. Cetyl alcohol is fine for color-treated hair. Want your DIY bars to last? Let's talk preservatives and storage. GeoGuard ECT is a broad-spectrum eco-certified preservative. It protects your products from mold and bacteria, especially in the humid bath environments. Beeswax, not only does it give a light hold for styling products, but it also seals in moisture and acts as a natural barrier to environmental damage. Silicone molds make shaping your shampoo bars and conditioner bars easy while giving them a finished, polished look. Strong hair, don't care. These powerhouse ingredients help keep your hair looking its best. Hydrolyzed rice protein is a natural protein that strengthens hair, improves elasticity, and adds volume, making your hair more resilient to breakage. Since I've started using this ingredient in my hair care products, I've been able to stand having my hair down. It just feels light and has nice volume to it. I love it. Rose kaolin clay is a gentle, mineral-rich clay. It detoxifies the scalp and absorbs excess oil. It also boosts circulation to support hair growth. And now, let's add some magic. Essential oils don't just smell amazing, they support a healthy hair and scalp. They're a great addition to any DIY hair care recipe. But with so many choices, which one is best for you? We've got you covered. Check out my next video. I'll also link it in the description of this video for my 4 favorite essential oils for hair care. You can also check out my free cheat sheet that I've linked in the description of this video. It includes a bigger list of ingredients, essential oils, and also recipes so that you can get started on your natural DIY hair care journey the right way. And there you have it, the best ingredients for natural hair care. Head to simplyearth.com to get these ingredients. You'll also see them in our DIY shampoo bars and conditioner kits. Or for a whole DIY adventure exploring new themes every month, check out our Simply Earth recipe box. Happy hair days, friends! Bye!